Exposure, an audio company called Exposure, they released a new integrated amplifier. It is their new 3510 integrated amplifier, their 3510 integrated amplifier, really built very well. It follows their previous series that they have upgraded the 3010 model. They've increased and updated it. It's coming with a power output of 110 watts into 8 ohms. It is powerful. It is not as powerful as their flagship of 5010 model that does around 200 watts into 8 ohms, but it is good enough. It is an integrated amplifier, meaning that it can work as an amplifier as well as the DAC to power the amplification section as well. So it has a headphone output, so you can power your headphone if you need to do that. Another thing here is that the the integrated amp has 6 inputs, so you can hook it up to a phono stage, another DAC if you want to get different flavor of sound overall, and it's cool for the most part. Other things you get here is good build quality. It really looks nice and it's not cheap. Honestly, if you're gonna get this, you're gonna spend a little bit more. This £2,250. It's not cheap, so it's a top of the line, top notch integrated amplifier. Exposure is very small in terms of the reach. They are very niched, and I haven't really seen much of their work. When I mean much of their work, I'm talking of like the ones that are mainstream. It's obvious that the very few people do promote or buy their stuff, but it's nice. They've released an integrated amplifier designed for audiophiles. It's not cheap, but if you have the cash to get it, I will. You can go ahead and get it. I will leave specs in the description if that is all you care about to see. Do subscribe to the channel. I will see everyone next time.